Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System, and then let's tap on Advanced and enter Reset Options. As you can see, on the third position we've got the option lock we are looking for, so let's tap, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.